The band Pripak Pro has claimed hand in the Assam Rifles transit camp grenade blast yesterday. A statement from the outfit today claimed that the attack was carried out by the Cobra Task Force. An Assam Rifles Jawan was injured following the hand grenade explosion at the main entrance gate of Assam Rifles transit camp located near Minuthong in Imphal at around 7:45 p.m. yesterday. Reportedly, the Jawan suffered injury on his left hand in the blast. He was rushed to the military hospital at Lamjingbatomtv. India will vaccinate those above the age of 50 years in its next phase of COVID-19 inoculation drive. The priority list drawn by the National Expert Group on Vaccine Administration for COVID-19 recommended that after vaccinating nearly 30 million healthcare and frontline workers, the next should be those above 50 years of age, including those with comorbidities. A media report said that the above 50 years of age category to be vaccinated on priority has been subdivided into further categories: those above 60 years of age and in the specified comorbid groups, and those between 45 and 59 years of age. A tourist bus plunged into a ravine on Indonesia's main island of Java today after its brakes apparently malfunctioned, killing at least 27 people and injuring 39 others. According to reports, the bus was carrying a group of Islamic junior high school students, teachers and parents from the West Java province town of Subang when the accident happened late last night on a winding road. The media report added that the bus was on its way back to Subang from a pilgrimage site in the province's Tasikmalaya district when it plunged into the 20-meter deep ravine after the driver lost control of the vehicle in an area with a number of sharp declines in Sumedang district. The Education Department today organized a one-day panel discussion on National Education Policy 2020 at City Convention Centre Palace Compound. Chief Minister Nongthombam Biren Singh, Deputy Chief Minister Yumnam Joykumar and Education Minister Sorokhaibam Rajan attended the event. Speaking at the event, Chief Minister Biren announced that transit accommodations on the 19 different outskirts of the state will be inaugurated within this month. As many as 22,854 people tested positive for COVID-19 in the last 24 hours, according to the Union Health Ministry. This marks the highest single-day rise in new infections reported in 2021. A media report said the cumulative caseload of the country stands at 1,12,85,561. After seeing a steady decline reaching even close to 9,000 at the end of January, the tally of fresh cases started seeing a spike in February. With this, the number of active cases is also increasing. There are 1,89,226 active infections across the country currently. Manipur registered 7 new COVID-19 cases in the last 24 hours, taking the total tally to 29,305. The state's coronavirus active cases are 35, while the recovered cases are 28,897, according to COVID-19 Command Control Room. The recovery rate is 98.6%. The state's death toll remains at 373. Tree plantation drive in connection with the celebration of 4 years of citizen-centric governance was held today at Mini Secretariat Complex, Tamenglong. Deputy Commissioner Tamenglong Armstrong Pame, Superintendent of Police Tamenglong Sandip Gopaldas Mohurle and District Forest Officer Tamenglong KH Hitler Singh also jointly planted saplings to mark the celebration. All the district-level officers of district and students of Eklavya Model Residential School Tamenglong took part in the plantation drive. Around 800 saplings of different kinds were planted during the program. Continuing with the celebration of Manipur government completing 4 years, Imphal East District Police carried out a mass tree plantation cum cleanliness program under the guidance of Imphal East Superintendent of Police, Jogesh Chandra Hawijam. The program covered DC Complex Imphal East, SP Imphal East Office Complex, Hapta Kangzebung, Mahabali Forest and every police stations in Imphal East.